If your engine is dying at stoplights or refusing to start at all, you might be facing a high voltage issue in your fuel system, known as code P2634. This code indicates that the fuel pump B control circuit has detected a voltage signal that is higher than normal parameters. This is a serious situation because your fuel pump is the heart of your engine's drivability, and without a steady flow of gasoline, your car is not going anywhere. This code applies to most vehicles made from 1996 to the present day, including brands like Toyota, Dodge, and Nissan. When the engine control module sees this high voltage, it might be due to damaged wires or a problem within the controller area network bus, which is the communication network of your car. You will probably see your check engine light come on, and you might experience the engine stalling out, specifically when it reaches operating temperature. Sometimes the car will crank fine but simply refuse to catch and start. One of the most common causes is a bad ground wire or an unattached ground strap in the control module. You might also have high resistance from melted or corroded connectors, which often happens because these parts are located under the vehicle near the fuel tank, where they are exposed to rain and salt. To troubleshoot this, you should first scan all modules with an O/D2 scanner to see the overall electrical health of the vehicle. A great trick is to use an auxiliary ground cable to see if the problem disappears. If it does, you know your factory ground is the issue. You should also inspect the connectors for a green crusty substance, which is a clear sign of corrosion. If you find a broken wire, I recommend soldering it and using heat shrink tubing to keep the moisture out instead of using cheap plastic connectors. Because this involves the fuel system and electrical circuits, you should definitely see a certified technician if you smell raw gas, or if you suspect the fuel pump itself has failed internally. Taking care of this now will save your engine from the long-term damage caused by an erratic fuel mixture. Don't let a small wiring issue leave you stranded on the side of the highway.